What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And folks, what we're going to discuss right now in this video is the overall market. And for those of you that are checking your portfolios and wondering, man, is the market going to go back up, or are we going to continue to see a downtrend? I'm going to discuss my plans always when I see a red market. And I think, again, it should at least give you an idea of what you should consider doing as well. Never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I am in. If you're new around here, smash the like button down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Bitcoin 67,000 falling below support for the first time in quite a while. So we can see in the last 7 days, we saw holding above 70K. We broke below support and then again went back to around the 69.5 support level and then dropped again and now holding right around 67,000. So right now, basically, we're going back to where we were in the month of May, right in the middle of it, around May 16th support level. So if we look at the year chart though for BTC, understand that right now our next level of support below this one, there is another line right around 67, then 62, and following that, where we saw a really strong liquidity zone and support was right around $59,000 BTC. So right now it's continued to buy the dip until otherwise noted or told. And the reason that I'm mentioning this right now is if we go over to Twitter and then you put in crypto capo, one of the individuals that I've been following from the technical analysis standpoint for quite some time. And again, he said short-term corrections are common. I'm not worried about them. It's just perspective. If you don't follow Crypto Capo, I would recommend though. There's a reason he has 847,000 people looking at his technical analysis. But as you can see, there's different liquidity zones that we're eyeing right now. So right now for the global market, it looks like, for the total three. So if you're looking at altcoins and things of that nature, we're entering liquidity zone 1, which we actually hit yesterday and going into this morning. And then the next one here is right around a $600 billion total altcoin valuation in terms of market. So again, when you look at Ethereum, we were rejected at 3,600, dropped down to 3,500, which right now does enter into a bear scenario, but there's a big but here. If Ethereum liquidity increases by ETFs going live sometime this week or early next week, we know then we could see a very sharp U-turn. And I think right now what's happening is some manipulation by Ethereum whales because they know the ETF is coming and they're expecting new liquidity. So they're trying to create a shakeout in the market by dumping their positions, bringing down the price action, and maybe at 3,200, that's when they decide to buy back up and push this thing to a previous all-time high of 48.67 and breaking through $5,000 thereafter. So the reason I mention this is for those of you that are trading meme coins right now, like Pepe, Shiba, and others, you could see those are hit the hardest. So right now, Shiba is down 4.3% on the day. We're seeing Dogecoin down about 2.8%, but Pepe, the top 23 cryptocurrency, is down 1.17%. So actually holding relatively strong, but again, from its all-time high, still down about 20 full percent. So right now things are looking shaky. And for the Jasmy holders, I know you're here. I know you've been watching, down about 9% on the day. But remember, dips are for buying and not panicking. So if you're somebody that is observing your portfolio during a red day, don't do that. That's not a good strategy because you're going to have that fear of continued decline, that fear of losing out on your position, that fear of a never-ending downfall. But we've seen really strong corrections. Remember, Jasmy was at 4 cents all the way down. It climbed to 3.4 cents earlier, just in the month of June. But if we look at even the year chart for Jasmy, we saw this thing go all the way to 2.4 cents, followed by a retrace to almost 50%, or going down to 1.5 cents. So keep an eye out. The market right now, again, dips are for buying, dollar cost averaging. So today, say, is your first red day. This is maybe a good day to have a strike day. And then tomorrow we see more red. That's your second strike day. You can have strike days instead of strike prices. And that way you're just dollar cost averaging down. Ethereum at 35.34 from the intra-year high of 3,900. You're getting it at a nice 12% discount from all-time highs of this year. And you're still down, getting at a 25% discount from all-time highs for ETH. So the forecast still looks great for crypto. So double down on your favorite positions and your favorite cryptocurrencies that you believe in and you have conviction in. Otherwise, sideline and just watch from the side. Don't look at your portfolio because it might cause panic, which will lead to selling. I appreciate your support. That's all I had. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.